What's going on, traders? This is Jack with the Trading Tribe. Welcome back to the channel, where today we're going to review one of my most recent swing trades that I've put on, which was in the natural gas futures market. Natural gas has been on a really nice uptrend so far in 2025, so I've been buying it quite a bit on really all of these dips that we've been seeing. Wanted to go through my most recent trade on natural gas with kind of entries, exits, thought process, and everything around the trade to kind of help you understand how I will take these swing trades and also how I will exit the swing trades as well. If this helps your trading, feel free to hit the like and subscribe to the channel for a lot more content like this. We're pumping out a lot of content in 2025 and really excited to bring that value to the team here. If we look, this is my TrazeZella platform where I can kind of review all of my trades. We can see here on this trade, right, I was able to net about $4,500 after fees, and I did take this trade with 2 contracts on the long side. So as I mentioned, right, gas has been on a really nice uptrend. So in this trade specifically, right, I had kind of 2 entries here and 2 exits. So I bought 1 contract at a time and sold 1 contract at a time, really just riding this trend up to that higher high or that target based on the prior high. We'll also look at this over in ThinkorSwim as well. We can see my executions for the trade are right here. So like I mentioned, right, I had 2 different entries and 2 different exits that overall netted that 4,500-ish total. This trade was about a 4-to-1 or a little bit more than a 4-to-1, so I was able to cut risk pretty low here, risking only 1,500 for, obviously in a perfect scenario, a little bit north of $6,000 for my target. We'll talk through targets. Right, this didn't quite get where I wanted. It actually started turning around, and that's, you can see where I started exiting. But we can kind of go through the trade start to finish as well. And then if we look in terms of kind of the profit curve, this was a really nice trade. Really, the second I entered that first contract, you can see here, it just had a really nice steady equity curve. Even when I added, right, it kind of went vertical after that. So really easy hold. These are kind of my preferred swing trades, if you will. Just once you start getting into the trade, if it starts working, those are typically really good signals that your idea is off to a really nice start. So really easy to hold this one, and this is what the trade actually looked like throughout kind of the life cycle here. If we jump on over to ThinkorSwim, we can also see here on the left, right, this is the natural gas market. On the left, I have the 1-hour time frame, so kind of a zoomed out view. On the right, I have the 1-minute time frame here. And the trade we just saw was actually closed on March 4th. So if we look over here to the left, basically I started entering right here on this dip. And then I started scaling out right here into this big pop, into this kind of resistance zone. So just again, right, to kind of explain the idea, right, dips on gas lately have been really nice buying opportunities, right? We've had a huge move here, pretty nice move here. And then obviously this entire week, we've pretty much gone straight up on the hourly time frame. So really all of these dips have been really, really nice spots to be at least interested in buys. This trade was obviously really nice, right? It went just pretty much straight to target, but Sunday night was very similar, right? Sunday night kind of came right into our 20 moving average. It also came right into this trend line, and you can see right away, right, started just going vertical into the open on Monday and to the close on Monday. So lots of good kind of trading opportunities. You can see I'm actually in a trade again with kind of the same concept, right? We've had another pullback here on the left, and we're starting to see some really nice buying strength. So I have a few contracts as well with a really tight stop loss, kind of targeting those highs yet again. Hopefully this helps. This is how I like to swing trade in the markets when there is a trend, especially within natural gas, right? When it starts trending, it typically offers a lot of potential profit. So definitely staying focused on gas. I think we do have some room up higher if we can get past this set of resistance levels that we have up here on the left. I do think we have room higher. We will see. Of course, every trade can lose, so definitely manage risk accordingly. But hopefully this helps with kind of how I was able to pull out almost $5,000 in that trade. Like I said, right, we've been trading gas all year long, so that's just one example. But if you do have questions, feel free to leave those down below in the comments. Thanks, everybody.